Good afternoon. This is Somiranjan Ghosh from Howard University at Washington, D.C. I welcome you all to our presentations on behalf of my co-authors too, to the biomarkers of diabetes in African Americans. Most studies have shown that patients with chronic hepatitis-C virus are more prone to develop type 2 diabetes compared to the healthy controls. The results presented here aim to establish the landscape of differentially expressed genes in diabetic compared to the controls in a disadvantaged African American population as a part of the large study that includes a group with HCV. The differential gene expression coupled with Ingenuity Pathway Analysis were performed in diabetic group compared with the hereditary controls. N is equal to 6 in each group and 12 together from African American residents of Washington, D.C. region. High-throughput qPCR TaqMan Low Density Array were performed to generate preliminary information on differentially expressed genes. Let me go quickly over the gene validation results. The pilot gene transcript validation studies on 40 additional subjects describe the most of the genes, 70 to 91%, showed down regulation in the metabolic genes, that is diabetes related, RRAT, ARNT, interleukin 6 in the panel B, and the other oncogenes like APC, MYC, and TP53 corroborating the profound downregulation pattern from our previous observation in panel C. Now, while looking into the pathways and the disease and disorder conditions, the pathway analysis on the differentially expressed genes in together 1710 number of genes reveal a protein ubiquitin pathways, cardiac beta androgenic signaling pathways, glutathione redox reaction 2, TNFR2 signaling receptor, androgen signaling for the men, and the glucocorticoid receptor signaling are the top canonical pathways, and we have shown that their respective functions in the parenthesis. In the disease disorder pathways, cancer, liver hyperproliferation, and the hyperplasia is some of the represents in the left panel. Lipid metabolism, endocrine disrupting disorders, cardiac proliferation are highly significant. Another question, this study aid in developing an improved understanding of disordered gene expression associated with diabetes. The outcome of the current results will help us to understand the pathogenic mechanism and to identify disease risk when combined with HCV in such vulnerable populations. Thanks for your patience hearing. Thank you.